Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a good morning. Sorry for the past 2 days I didn't post a video. It wasn't because I forgot to, it's just I didn't make any trades. So I'm not going to post videos on days I don't make trades. I feel like it's kind of a waste of your time. I'd rather just focus on the days that I do trade. But if I don't see a trade or if I don't see anything that I want to trade, I'm not going to just force it. You know what I mean? I'm not going to I need to trade today, so I have to buy something and then I just buy it. Like, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to fall into that trap. I'm not going to force myself. I'm totally okay with not having a trade day. If anything, I look at it as a break even day. I didn't make money, but I also didn't lose money. So it's not the end of the world. But today I did do two trades. I am down, but I had one good trade and one bad trade. So my first trade was a bad trade, which I traded CAPR. Let's see where on CAPR I made that trade. It was at 937. Oops, there we go. Can't zoom in. What the fuck's going on? There we go. So 947. Find that mark. So we had right around this mark. Oh, that's not the right one. I'm sorry, 937. I'm stupid. Here we go. So 937, this counter right here. So this is basically where I was at. I was looking for the break of about, oh, you stupid. I was looking for a break around the 145 into like kind of like a new high. And then it went up. It basically topped around 150, 150, 155. I wanted it to go a little higher, so I held it. And so basically it started coming down. Next candle started coming down. Next candle started coming down. Made the little doji candle where basically just pretty much nothing happened. It had a high and a low, and then it just kind of opened and closed at the same mark. And then it kind of started going up, so I started watching it. And I had put in a stop loss order at 135, and then basically it cracked down on this candle, hit 135 and kept going down. And then it went down, 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 stayed down pretty much the rest of the day. So I didn't make anything on that one. So it was basically a 10-cent stop loss. I was down $11. Now you see I'm down 5, and I'll explain why in a second. But I was down $11 on that trade, and that trade just continues to go down. You see on the 5-minute here, it was basically running up, kind of came over and then went down. So it hasn't really recovered. The other trade I did was AEZS, which is still getting some good hype. I bought in at 947, so let's go to 947. I'm just scrolling back is all, just trying to find the specific. Okay, so 945. So this candle right here. Oops, I moved my marker. I don't want to do that. Oh well. So 947. I basically bought at the 165-ish mark. So like right around here where I had my yellow line, which if I can fucking grab it and move it, I will. There we go, 165. So that was my breakout. You can see on the 5-minute up here, I kind of did the same thing, and then it broke out, and then this candle started happening, right? So it came up because you see I bought at 947 and I sold at 948, and the reason why is this candle started coming up and it hit a high of about 170, 178, 179, and then it started coming back, and then at 174 I sold it, and then it kept going down, So this long wick right here basically scared me off because I was afraid this was going to happen. It's going to be like this doji kind of candle right here, where it was going to open and close around the same range and then go really high and go slow. And since I had already lost on my first trade, I just wanted to lock in what little profit I had. Now, of course, this stock, and I drew some lines here. There was a good trend line kind of coming up here, and then it ran up more, and then it ran up more, and it cracked above $2. So you see here, it cracked above $2. So if I would have held on to it, obviously it would have done good from here to here. But like I said, because I already had a bad trade and I was scared, I got out of it. Now I got in at 168 and got out at 174. So instead of being down $11, I'm only down $5. But since I traded 2 stocks, I'm down $20 from commission. So I am down $25 still. Now, granted, like I said, I had a bad trade, I had a good trade. So, I'm not mad about that. I'm actually happy about that. I am happy that on days where I usually have one bad trade, it's pretty bad, and then it kind of upsets me. But then I had a good trade that I kind of made it back a little bit. Now, like I said, if I would have held it longer, could have profited. But from going from 175 to $2, because I noticed there's a lot of resistance at quarter dollars, half dollars, and full dollars. So like 25 cents, 50 cents, or a dollar. And it wasn't going past the 175. It was kind of going up and then it came back down. So that's when I got out of it. But it apparently went all the way up to $2, so I could have definitely made some profit there. But that's okay. But that's where I'm at with those 2 trades, and that's where I'm going to stay for today. I'm not going to go above that. Like I said, I'm not forcing trades. I'm not going to sit here and stare at the computer for like 6, 7, 8 hours. Most of my trading I want to do within the first couple hours when it's the busiest. That's when I want to get the most done and be the most efficient that way. So again, I'm down 25 plus commissions. So one green trade down 11, or one red trade down $11 plus commissions would be 21, and then one good trade brought me down to -5, but with commissions I'm down 25. So, and again, I know there's other brokers out there that are better at certain things, especially when it comes to commission and stuff like that. I just use SureTrader to kind of get around that PDT rule. And I'm not totally sold on the idea of having multiple brokers to get around it. I'd rather just have one broker, one chart, one screen. Just keep it simple for me. So unfortunately, I pay up in commissions though, so I have to just accept that reality of the cost of doing that business. So I'm good with that for right now. But and you can even see right now, AZS is already coming back up to the $2 mark. It looks like, yeah, it's already coming back up. But so yeah, that's where I'm at today. So again, I didn't trade Monday and Tuesday, so I didn't make a video. So I traded today. So 2 trades, one good, one bad. So anyways, so yeah, now I'm off to go do the workout. So I'll hit y'all up later and talk to y'all next one.